it's Rob here and welcome to my video on the bodywork of my Monster Beetle trail on the GF-01 chassis. As you can see, I've already made a bit of a start. The body itself comes already made in red plastic, so I've not bothered spraying that. But as you can see, it does, or the instructions do say to go round and paint the window rubbers. So as you can see, I've made a start. If we look at these side ones, we'll get there so you can see it a bit better. I've actually done that freehand. I can see some squiggly lines and stuff, but when it's running along I don't think you will, and I just couldn't face trying to mask all of those tight curves off. Got a bit of dust or something on there, so I decided to give it a go freehand. So I might try and tidy that up a bit. Then the back window I did mask off. I think it's a slightly better job, but it did bleed a bit here where the masking tape joined. And as you can see, I've just done the sunroof, and I've used this white masking tape that I think is for cars, proper full-size cars. So it's not brilliant at these tight bends, but it is supposed to be flexible for doing bends. But like I say, on full-size cars you don't get quite such tight radius. But yeah, so I've done that. That's only just finished doing that, so it needs a few more minutes before I rip the masking tape off and hopefully try and save any bleeds that I've had. So while we're waiting for that, I've done some work on one of these metal pieces. I don't know if you'll be able to see it with the glare off me light, but I've painted this sort of air filter matte black, and then the fan here I've painted between each of the blades. I've painted that matte black, and then I've painted a thin black line for the fan belt around that. The headlights I've gone over with some what is this, X24 clear yellow, and it's see-through yellow, so I've given that a couple of coats. And then also, it's not picking up the yellow, is it, very well? What about over here? Yeah, then once the yellow's dried, I've gone over with a couple of coats of gloss varnish just to make it hopefully look a bit more glossy. So that's that done. This hopefully I think will be dry enough now to peel off the masking tape and hopefully not see much in the way of bleeding. So there we go. And then I just need to I'm definitely umming and ahhing about what to do here, because that is rather a tight and what's it, so I think I may just put some masking tape along these straight bits and then freehand it round, and then I'll freehand round here, but it's going to take me a while because I'm going to wait for that to dry properly before I do any more to that. So I think I'll be back to you once all that's done. Okay, so I've made a couple of changes to my camera, and hopefully now you might be able to see the painting I've done. And I've already stuck some decals on there, and then this is the headlights that are painted with the yellow. Still not coming across very well, is it? Wow, can't get over that. So there we go. Still waiting for the sunroof to dry, so we'll be back shortly. Okay, so I can't remember, but since the last time, hopefully I've gone round the other side windows freehand, and not too bad a job, I don't think. And then we've just done around the windscreen, and as you can see there, I've used a combination of some of the flexible masking tape and a bit of freehand around these corner bits here, so I think we're just about ready to see how this has got on. And yeah, not too bad at all. So what I've just discovered is I need to paint the door handles silver, so I think I might zoom in and try and show you a bit of that, so bear with me. Okay, so I've got one of the smaller brushes. I think this is a 000, and I do apologise if my goggly things get in the way, but I do need to see this. So I've got my chrome silver, and let's just try and do it so. There we go. Something like that. And with this silver, I don't know what it is, but I'm probably going to have to go over a couple of coats to 3 coats with this, just to where are we? There we go. Just to get it to cover properly. Something like that. Don't think we need to. There we go. Oh, I can't find it. There it is. And with that, I think I'll leave it there for this episode. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I really look forward to seeing you on the next one, which will hopefully be finishing it off, including the decals and fitting it on the chassis. Thanks for watching. Bye.